We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive look at the Break Your Own Geodes kit by Dan and Darcy. This kit offers an engaging hands-on experience where users can crack open 25 natural Moroccan white geodes of various sizes, ranging from 1 to 2.5 inches in diameter. The geodes are mostly hollow, with over 90% revealing stunning, clear crystals inside, making it an exciting discovery activity for children and adults alike. The kit includes 25 geodes, 3 plastic display stands, a woven storage bag, and a learning guide providing everything needed to start exploring geology and mineralogy in a fun and educational way. Users appreciate the variety of sizes included in the set, which adds to the excitement of breaking open the geodes. Many reviews highlight the joy children experience when cracking these rocks open, noting it as a fun and memorable activity that sparks curiosity about the natural world. The crystals inside, though all clear in color, vary in size and formation, with some areas displaying tiny crystals resembling crackled glass and others featuring larger, more defined crystals. This natural variation adds to the educational value and visual appeal of the kit. A common theme in the feedback is the importance of safety during the cracking process. The instructions recommend using a hammer or placing the geode inside a sock and striking it against a hard surface to prevent small shards from scattering. Many users found the sock method effective and safer, especially when children are involved. Parental supervision is advised to ensure safety and to assist with the more challenging geodes. While most geodes are hollow and easy to open, some smaller ones can be difficult to crack, even for adults. This adds a level of challenge that some users enjoy, though it may require patience. The exterior of the geodes is described as rough and unremarkable, but the beauty lies within the crystals, which are the main attraction. The 3 plastic display stands included in the kit are functional but considered by some to be of lower quality and suitable mainly for the largest crystal pieces. Smaller crystal fragments do not fit well on these stands but can be stored safely in the woven bag provided. This bag is appreciated for keeping the collection organized and protected. Many users have found this kit to be an excellent gift idea for children aged 8 to 14, especially those interested in science, exploration, and hands-on activities. It has been used successfully in educational settings such as Cub Scout advancements, where children enjoyed the group activity of breaking open geodes and learning about crystals. Adults also report enjoying the stress-relieving aspect of cracking open geodes and admiring the natural beauty inside. A few users wished for more color variety in the crystals, as all geodes in this set produce clear crystals. Despite this, the overall value of the kit is praised, especially considering the price point and the number of geodes included. Receiving 16 large hollow geodes in a set of 25 is seen as impressive, especially since the product is shipped from Morocco. In summary, the Break Your Own Geodes kit is a well-rounded, educational, and entertaining product that appeals to a wide age range. It encourages curiosity about geology and minerals, provides a tactile and visual discovery experience, and offers a rewarding activity for families and individuals. The kit's contents, including the geodes, display stands, storage bag, and learning guide, combine to create a complete and satisfying exploration package. We recommend this product for anyone looking to inspire a love of science and hands-on learning in children, or to enjoy a unique and calming hobby as an adult. Remember to check the product link in the description to support the channel and consider leaving your own review in the comments to help others make informed decisions.